Here we have the two rails mounted, top and bottom. The brackets themselves are mounted approximately 4 feet apart. So that's the bottom bracket there, and then aligns with the top bracket.
And this little U-bracket allows you to tilt the arm how you need it to match the bottom rail, and the angle is gained right here. You can see we have it currently at a 20-degree angle. So next we're going to be putting the modules on and seeing how they line up and tighten them down. Booyah, booyah.
So the fact that I was out there installing the solar by myself, I had to get a little creative on how I was going to actually get the panels up onto the roof of the container. I brought my Werner scaffold out and placed the module on top of the scaffold and then climbed up, placing the module then up on top of the container, getting to the top of the container, and then taking those modules to its location on the rails.